Okay, so this is the view outside my window now because the entire neighborhood is under construction and the noise level's a little tough. Okay, so let's head into the office now and get set up for everything I gotta do today. All right, let's talk about today. I'm kind of hesitant to tell you about today because the day never goes the way I think it's gonna go. Now today's plan is that I got up, got ready for work, of course. I'm gonna head over to Starbucks. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of editing on some video clips I've got. Then I'm gonna come back to the house. I've got a live video I have to do. So that's the course of action today. And then after that, I need to check my sales for Survivalcave food. I own a survival food company, and I gotta see what I gotta do on that. I also have a funnel that's starting for Survivalcave food today, and that should generate a lot of sales. We have a decent list now. So hopefully everything will work on that. It'll go out okay. And then I'm gonna film my training videos that I upload to YouTube. So I gotta film those for most of the day. And then once I've completed that, and I may not complete it, that's the other thing I wanna tell you. I've got, I think, 11 scripts written, but I probably won't get through all of them because I had to do this live today and I'm trying to do some other stuff. And then I would like to maybe get some lunch, come back and I'll film a little bit more. Then I'd like to head over to the gym and get a workout in. So let's see if it actually turns out that way and if everything is just perfect. Okay, heading out to Starbucks. I'm gonna try to get a little bit of work done. I've got to get back here and film at 10 o'clock, so I don't have much time. It's around 8:30 right now, so let me see how much I can get done before I get back. Okay, so I'm here at Starbucks now, and I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna grab a cup of tea. I don't have much time. It's about 10 minutes till 9 now, and I've got to get back to my office and film videos today. So let's head on in there, grab a cup of tea, and see how much work we can get done. Okay, hey, so we're almost ready. Getting ready now to shoot the videos for YouTube. And it's a little bit different setup than what I normally do for a live. I do use one of these cordless lavalier mics, and I like it a lot. The only thing is, you've got to put it on, and that's kind of a pain, so let's go ahead and do that right now. Always check your batteries on these things. Man, they go out fast. It's like incredible how it eats batteries. So let me power this one on. And it looks pretty good. Let's thread this thing up my shirt here. Yeah, how's that look? Is that okay? Okay, good. So I'm gonna put this in my pocket. And then I've got to set up the microphone that actually goes on the camera over here. You can't see that, but I've got a camera set up over here. And once I set it up there, I can start recording. I've got all my notes on my computer here. And what I do is I slide this forward to where that camera can't see this. And that way, I got my notes in front of me, kind of like a cheat sheet, right? And I can do my video without having to really think. And you can cut out the areas where you mess up, which I have a lot of cuts. See you in a second. Okay, so just finished lunch at Santa Catarina, I think it is. I wouldn't go back. So if you're in Georgetown, not saying anything bad about this restaurant, just very mediocre, nothing special. Head back to the house now, probably stop and get some gas at Costco. Then I gotta get back to recording and I gotta work out and I gotta check those statistics on that promo I sent out today to see what it's doing. So far, I don't see any sales. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm driving down the road and I noticed they're putting these, I guess, metal structures up all down the side of the road here. And I'm not quite sure why. You know, I think sometimes when a city has a budget, they just have to spend it. Okay, I noticed that I'm a little low on gas, so I'm going to pop into this Costco here and fill up real quick. Okay, so I just got back to the office and I checked and I got a sale, but it was from one of our retailers. It wasn't from that email I sent out. So I know something's wrong and I went and checked and that processor on that particular email is broken. Now, the guy that works on this for me is in India. So I sent him a message, but obviously there's a time difference. So it's gonna cost me some money. So I've got a little bit of extra time here. I've eaten lunch, I wanna let it settle. I'm gonna switch back into the dress type shirt and then go back to filming videos and probably get one more in the can before I head over to the gym and I'll take you over there with me. Okay, shirt changed, ready to film. I wanted you guys to kind of see what I do. These two walls here of, you know, they're really packing pads. Kind of absorb the sound, so the sound should be a little bit better now. Plus I've added a microphone, so that sound is going to be a little bit better now. And all I do is I put my, whatever I'm going to say, you know, a kind of an outline here on my computer, and that camera there that you can see off to the right doesn't see this laptop here, so it looks like I can memorize all this stuff, and I really cannot. So I got to get back to this. I got to record some videos. Hey, if you've been wondering about using influencers for your business, you're going to want to watch this video to the very end. If you're not a subscriber, please do so now. Hit that subscribe button below, turn it from red to gray, and don't forget, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every single time I go live or I upload a video. Okay, so you're wondering Okay, I didn't get all the videos done, but I do have to go to the gym. That's super important. I mean, it's just, I don't want to go. I don't want you to think I want to go, but I have to go. It's just super important to stay in shape if you're going to do this. And I think I'm going to run down and check the mail. I've got a delivery that hasn't shown up for 2 days. I can't really do anything more on my funnel right now. I've got my team looking at it to figure out why everything's stuck and nothing's going out. And I'm not making money right now. So we got to get that fixed, but we will get it fixed. And this is just what happens. Okay, so this funnel that I was sending out that didn't go out to anybody, I just got a text from my team, and as you can see, it's my fault. I had set this to go out between 10 and 11 o'clock, and I didn't set it up to actually unpause it, I guess, because it was held until after 11, so it's not going anywhere until the next day. So tomorrow it'll go out, and hopefully I'll make some money. I'm pretty sure I will. But I just want to show you mistakes happen, and I've been doing this for going on 12 years, and I make mistakes every day. So that's just how it is. Wow, it's the end of the day. Well, not quite, but it's after 8 o'clock. Got a lot accomplished today, ran into a lot of problems, and that's pretty much every day. But hey, working online, it's the way to go. I did the corporate world for 20 some odd years, and I started this over a decade ago, and yeah, it's good. You guys have a good night. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.